In this video, I'll show you how to enable the sleep timer feature on YouTube. 1. Open YouTube. Start by launching the YouTube app on your device. 2. Select a video. Play any video of your choice. 3. Access settings. Tap on the gear icon or settings icon located in the top right corner. 4. Enable sleep timer. Look for the sleep timer option. Tap on it and you'll see different time options like 10 minutes, end of the video, 1 hour. Choose the option that works for you. 5. Update YouTube if necessary. If you don't see the sleep timer option, head to the Google Play Store or App Store to update your YouTube app to the latest version. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Thanks for watching.